Today I'm drawing lunar. Yay! I drew this in class. I just need to finish it. Alright, I drew eclipse, lunar. Next time I'm gonna do moon, then sun, and then kill code. Bye! Oh, and subscribe!